Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike Ficsacardi here. I just want to give you an update on the car. I got a little bit of work done yesterday. I got it up on jack stands. Being that the car was so low, it was a bit of a struggle, but it is finally up on jack stands. I'm going to keep it this way for a while. Obviously, I have to have access. So today I would like to accomplish taking off the side skirts, so this way I could expose the bolts to the fenders, and so this way that could prepare me to remove those along with the front bumper. I also would like to try and raise the suspension about a ½ inch to an inch. I'll see just how difficult it is. It doesn't look like it will be very hard. Nothing looks corroded or seized, and I just want to clean up these wheel wells a little bit since they are quite dusty from the auction yard. So with that said, sit back, relax, and real quick guys, there's just about 4 or 5 clips holding the side skirt in place. You just need to pop them out with a screwdriver. At first I was trying to really just pry them out, and that wasn't really working. So what worked best was I just stuck the screwdriver in between this little lip and just pried it gently side to side, just like this, you know. And eventually that worked it out, and they came out very easily. Now there was a couple of like Phillips head grommets that I stripped, so I just yanked them out, and those are broken. I'll have to get some new ones. Now I'm going to take these out. I believe we just pry on the entire side skirt, and it's connected with some clips on the inside here. So let's gently do that. There we go. Simple as that. Okay, and just like that, pretty simply, we got the side skirts off, and I'm going to clean it up a little bit underneath there, but let's take a look. This car, I don't know if you noticed, it has a lot of stickers on it. I'm going to remove some. I might lose I might lose a few horsepower each sticker, but I like it much cleaner without the stickers. Now, I don't know if you guys, if any of you have any experience using this 3M eraser, but I just tried using it on a few stickers, and let me tell you, it does not work as advertised. I found the best way is just a good old-fashioned razor blade. So I'm going to get cracking on with that. Clean up this exterior a little bit. Suplado Squad. Yeah, that's worth about 10 horsepower right there. But it's got to go. Well, just like that, we lost about 20 horsepower, but don't worry, we'll gain it back once we get this thing fired up. I think she's got plenty of ponies left, but it's looking much cleaner without all those stickers. I even got rid of my favorite one, Those of you who have seen the last video know what used to live right there. That was my favorite one. But one last thing I want to do. I'm going to quickly measure the size of these holes that were drilled into the trunk to mount the old wing. This way I could order some rubber grommets to fill that space for now. I don't know if that's going to be the permanent fix, but at least it'll look a lot better than the way it does look right now, and I won't have to worry about water seeping into the trunk. Here, measured just about 4mm internal diameter. So that's what I'll order. I'll put in there, and at least it'll keep the water out of the trunk for now. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. Tune in next time. I'll see you then. Bye.